Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So these are all the lines that we drew yesterday. As you can see, Nifty has taken support perfectly on this daily support line that we had drawn. This was the order block that we were referring to, that Nifty could take support on, and it did take it support nicely on this particular support. So let's go and delete all the lines that we drew previously and then start from scratch. Going to the monthly time frame, the bias is still bullish. Why is it bullish? Once again, the low made in August is much higher than the previous low that was made in April. That means as the market was about to be sold off, strong buyers bought from a much higher level than they previously did. That's why it is bullish. Important levels are previous all-time high. I'll mark it in red, and I'll keep it thicker so that in live market I do not have to look at what time frame this line is from. Important support is previous swing low, swing high. I'll mark it in green, and previous swing low. Going over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, I was not sure of what it is. I still am not sure of what it is, as this weekly time candle hasn't closed yet. So if this low is protected, it's highly likely that it would be a bullish bias. So the logic is the same what I explained in the in case of the monthly bias. Let me mark the top of this candle. I'll keep it thinner once again so that in live market I know what time frame it comes from. And let me also mark this low, which needs to be protected to sustain the bullish bias on a weekly time frame. So we have a range for Nifty, that's 26,325 and 25,878. Nifty should break either of these levels for me to change this not sure that's written in the bias column. Now, is there any other order blocks in this? Nothing. So let's just quickly go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame was bullish previously. What is it now? It is still bullish because this was the previous low, and this was the low, and this was the previous low. It has created a higher low, and it's bullish. And we had drawn a order block. Let's draw it once again. Yesterday I had said it's just an approximation. Why am I drawing the midpoint of the body of a red candle? This is an order block where large players had deployed money, took our orders, and then bought the market to a higher level, taking all our stop losses, eating all our money. So I'll keep it this is on a daily time frame. I'll keep it thinner so that I know it is from a shorter time frame. Everything that's daily and below is on a single pixel. I know it in live market. I do not have to go back and check what time in live market. So that is one thing. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame was previously bullish. Well, what is it now? Is it still bullish? What am I looking at? I'm looking at if this low is protected. Yes, it is indeed protected. So this candle did not breach this low. So this is a low and this is a higher low, and this is not a low. I still don't know until the next candle is created. So anyway, this is protected till now. Dangerously close, but it's still bullish. Going to the 4-hour, 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame has turned bearish. This was a high. This was a lower high, and this is another lower high. Is it a high? Yes, it is indeed a high. So this has become bearish. Is there any important level that I need to look at? No, I do not see any important level. So this is a good support level. If Nifty breaks from here, the next destination would be 25,878. There is nothing in between this. Yes, there is something in between this one particular candle. It's a controversial candle. It's a doji indecision, but I would like to mark it and see it's not exactly at that. I can just use the magnet. Yeah, sort of. Yeah. So now this could be an order block. This red candle could be the order block that led to this huge rally. But again, it's very controversial because it is a doji. It's just 1 point above, and it could have been a green candle. In that case, the midpoint of these would be the next the order block that actually might act as support. And then there's a lot of liquidity down here in 25,877. So if Nifty decides to come down, it could in fact come all the way down till here, 877, and then go back up. Yeah, so that's it for today. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. Whatever I just said here is all for educational purpose only. Thank you.